guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my opinion on the Pantene Pro V oil replacement. And if you can already tell, I have used up almost the entire tube. You guys, I did tell you on Snapchat that I'm going to take my own sweet time to come up with a review on this. I want to use this for as long as I can, and for any sort of skincare or hair care products, I always tell you that I will take my time to come up with a review. It's not like a makeup product, you know, which you can just give like a first impression, and that is what is going to be mostly the opinion on that product. With skin and hair care, I feel like you need to invest a little bit more time before giving an opinion, because there are a few people that count on your opinion. This is something that I picked up from Amazon.in. This is not a sponsored video. This is the smaller tube. It's the 80 ml one and it's costing 85 rupees. And I guess there's a bigger one as well, which could be like a 100 ml tube if I'm not wrong. I will find it. I will link it for you guys in the bottom bar. There's not so much of a difference, I guess. I'm not sure. Anyway, I've used up almost the entire thing, that, like I said. Now, I have a few things to speak about this product, but first I want to share with you how you're supposed to be using this product and how I used it. So basically, we're going to have a demo first, and once we are done with the demo, I'm going to be back with what I think about the product and my opinion on it. So in case you guys are interested in knowing anything about this, then please keep on watching. And in the video, if you have already noticed that my lips are chapped and they're bleeding and all of that, it's because I'm on some sort of medication which is just supposed to dry out your skin and supposed to dry out your lips even more. And I have dry lips and dry skin, and you guys know, and it's the winter months, so this is kind of, I guess it could be a bit putting off on camera, but I'm really sorry if that is bothering you. But if at all you're interested in knowing what I think about this, then please keep on watching. So guys, I have just shampooed my hair and I'm applying the Pantene Pro V oil replacement throughout the length of my hair. I'm taking just the amount that is necessary for the length of my hair, and I'm just going to go through the length, the shaft of my hair. I'm making sure that every single shaft is nicely covered, and I'm also working my way through the knots with my fingers, if you notice. That is just because it makes my job simpler to take care of any knots with the comb later on. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to make two sections and go ahead and comb through my hair. They recommend that you need to use this before combing your hair, and it actually makes perfect sense because that way it helps me take my knots out way quicker. And I like to begin with the lower section of my hair first and then going upwards. That way the hair doesn't pull or tug more. And now I'm using my blow dryer to dry out my hair because, again, they recommend you to use this before using a blow dryer. And once I'm done with drying out my hair completely, I'm going to use my paddle brush to just simply comb my hair and brush out my hair and, you know, just take care of any knots and just make sure that my hair is nicely done. And that is pretty much how I like to use the Pantene Pro V oil replacement. And let's move on to the review. So guys, we are done with the demo, and I'm thinking that maybe we'll go one by one with whatever is written on the back of the tube over here and whatever they claim and how you're supposed to use the product and all of that. And I'll go one by one with that, and I'll tell you guys how much I agree with it or not. So the first thing they mention is that Pantene has invented the incredible oil replacement to give your hair the multiple benefits of natural oil without the inconvenience. Now, you guys, to me, natural oil or natural oils mean the natural oils that your scalp produces on its own, which is actually supposed to be great for the nourishment of your hair, for your roots. It actually helps you strengthen your roots and just sort of moisturizes and nourishes your scalp. But when they say that this gives you the multiple benefits of natural oil, you know, I feel like when it's an oil replacement product, it's supposed to be applied into your scalp and you're supposed to massage it, and that's how it will work. But this product is actually supposed to be applied starting from the top, distributed evenly through your hair along the length. You're not supposed to be massaging it into your roots. They have not mentioned anywhere that apply it into your roots and massage it, so please don't do that. So basically, oil replacement over here is working for the length of your hair, throughout the shaft of your hair, almost till the end of your hair. Now, it nourishes your hair, it reduces hair fall, and it helps repair hair damage and hair fall due to hair breakage. It definitely nourishes hair. You guys, if you have been my follower for a bit now, then you know that my hair is kind of weird. Like my scalp is really oily. By the same day of washing my hair, by the same evening, my scalp is like a greasy, oily field. But my hair, the length of my hair is really, really dry. So I have to kind of manage using products which are, you know, which actually help with cleansing the scalp, at the same time products that do not dry out my hair. So this actually is a great product with respect to nourishing, moisturizing, conditioning your hair. It actually does work like a leave-in cream conditioner as well, but with the benefits of all these natural oils and nourishing oils that they claim over here. The next thing that they say is that this helps you reduce hair fall due to hair breakage. I completely agree with it, you guys, because if your hair is going to be hydrated, if it's going to be nourished and moisturized, it's not going to be dry, it's not going to be brittle, hence it's not going to, you know, break easily and all. So that is why they say that this will help you reduce hair fall, which is particularly due to hair breakage. So if you feel like your hair is breaking a lot, it's very brittle and it's weak, then maybe this is going to help you sort of condition your hair and hence give it a little bit more strength. And it helps repair hair damage. So if you must have sort of colored your hair, or if your hair is drying out a bit too much because of any heated tool damage, then this will definitely help you nourish your hair and it will help you fix that. Okay. The next thing they say is that this also acts as a final touch, leaving your hair soft and smooth. I completely agree. My hair definitely feels very soft and extremely smooth and really, really manageable. So if you do have hair that's kind of rough and dry and not manageable, this will help you out. While its creamy texture leaves it smooth without any stickiness. So I did show you guys, it's definitely creamy in texture, but it's not greasy, it's not sticky, it's not oily, so it will not make you feel like you're wearing some product externally on your hair. It actually just soaks into wet hair beautifully. And lastly, you can style your hair as usual, and they actually recommend you to use this before combing or blow drying. If you do have fine and thin hair like mine, then this will actually help you detangle your hair way quicker. Like my hair gets untangled really, really quick and easily, so this helps me just sort of detangle and manage all of that really easily. Like it doesn't take too long if you use this, and you can use this before using a blow dryer. So I'm assuming maybe this has the properties of, you know, sort of protecting your hair from any heated tool as well. So that is why maybe they recommend you to use this before blow drying. And you can use this, and you're supposed to be using this before sun and salt water exposure. So in case you're going to go sunbathing or if you're going to go swimming in the sea, then this will help you protect your hair from all of that damage as well. Overall, I feel like this is a great product in case if you do have dry damaged hair, or if you feel like, you know, you need that extra nourishment for your hair, then this is a great product. And this is costing 85 rupees for an 80 ml tube. I already mentioned that. I feel like that's a great buy. You should definitely get it if, you know, you need it. And another thing I did want to say is about the smell. It actually smells like a bubble gum to me. It's kind of sweet, but it's not very overpowering. So if you can't deal with very strong scents, it's not a problem. This is pretty good. And yeah, I would really recommend you guys to get this. I love this product. Definitely gonna go ahead and buy it again. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this. If you did like it, you know what to do. Please give me a thumbs up. Please write your thoughts in the comments below. And it really means a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, then please click on that red button below. And yeah, have a great day. I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.